There's nothing quite like the feeling of sinking your toes into the thick pile of a brand new carpet. It's a luxury and an indulgence, and one which you can enjoy without having your house recarpeted. Your carpets and upholstery will look good as new after a treatment from Cleandirect Wirral. Using environmentally safe products, our team can restore the lustre into tired and stained carpets, rugs and upholstery, and at a far lower cost than having it replaced. Cleandirect Wirral has over 30 years of experience revitalising carpets, rugs and upholstery in homes, offices, pubs and hotels, and can provide realistic quotes for jobs of any size, with satisfaction guaranteed. We also provide specialist protective treatments for carpets, rugs and upholstery to guard those investments from permanent staining and enhance the ease of your own day-to-day cleaning. As the Wirral's only specialist rug cleaning facility, Cleandirect Wirral is the first choice of rug lovers, where care and expertise cleaning your beloved rug will come as standard. Cleandirect Wirral. Experience the indulgence of new soft furnishing without the cost. Call us today on 0151 638 1062 or visit our website at www.cleandirectwirral.co.uk.